Hello everybody, it's Little Paper Ranger again. Today we'll make a box. Now a box, it's gonna be very light, but it's useful for storing items. First, let's fold our paper in half. If you have a roller, you can use it to harden or flatten your paper. Next, use a ruler. Or if you don't have one, it's okay. I won't use it. Just do a little bit down like this. That will decorate our box. Now, you have to open. Now, I'm sure everybody knows how to make a door. Like this. Bing. And another. Now we have a door folded. Now we have to make these so that it looks like a plane. And first, put these on one side and line up just like we make a paper airplane, and then put it down again. Do the other side and do the same thing on the other. Fold a triangle, another triangle, and take one flap to flatten it out, just like this. The cover. Now flip it over. These pointy parts, you have to fold them in. Wow, it's done. Now open it up. And you have to, this part, you have to pull it out. Wow, we got a box. Thank you for enjoying this video. We can put many items in here, like this flower and these hearts I made, like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye!